Okay, we're going to look at primes and prime factorization. Okay, so first thing we're going to know about primes is 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. Okay, and a prime is divisible by 1 and itself only, no other numbers. Okay, so as an example, we have the number 3. 3 is divisible by only itself, 3 and 1, right? 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 3 divided by 1 equals 3, right? But like 3 divided by 2 equals 1.5, right? So it doesn't divide evenly, and we don't like that for being a prime. Okay, what about like 13? Same story, right? 13 divided by 1 is 13. 13 divided by 13 is 1. No other numbers work. Like 13 divided by 7 or 8 or 9 doesn't come up with an integer, doesn't give us a whole number. As opposed to 12, right? 12 is divided by itself, 12 and 1, but it's also divided by 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, things like that, right? So that means that 12 would be composite. For what it's worth, 2 is the only even prime number, right? All other evens are going to be composite because you can divide them by 2, if nothing else. Okay, so prime factorization. Okay, so prime factorization. So we'll do one here, prime factorization of 36. Okay, and so start with 1 and 36, because 1 times 36 equals 36. What else can we do? 2 and 18, 3, 12, 4 and 9, and 6. Right? 6 times 6 is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. 3 times 12, 36. 2 times 18, 36. All right, so those are all the factors of 36. Now you need to figure out which ones of these are prime and how we can multiply it to get to 36. Okay, so we said 1 and 0 are never prime or composite, right? So those are out. Like, we need only prime numbers. 2, we said was the only even prime number. We'll take that one. 3, we said in our little example before, was also prime, right? Because it's only divisible by 3 and 1. We said all the evens were no good, right? So 4 is out, 6, 12, 18, and 36. Those are all composite numbers, not prime. And then 9, right? Is 9 prime or composite? 9 divided by 3 is 3, right? So it's divisible by a number besides itself and 1. So 9 is no good. Okay, then we pick out these numbers and then we multiply. So 2 times 2 is 4, times 3 is 12, times 3 is 36. So the prime factorization of 36, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3.